Welcome, welcome to my kitchen. My recipe today is flavorful curry rice. So good. Let's get started. Okay, let's begin. I have 2 tablespoons of oil in this pan, and it's on a medium heat. To the pan, I'm going to add 1/2 of onion chopped, and in this mixture here, I have 4 garlic cloves chopped. And we're also going to add 1/2 of green pepper. Then we're going to saute this for 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat, medium to low actually. Now I'm going to add the main attraction, 1 tablespoon of curry powder. This is that delicious, it's going to give this delicious flavor in your rice. Now we're going to saute this and let this curry powder saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. It smells so good. Oh. Okay, I sauteed this onion and green peppers and the curry powder. Now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter and let this saute as well. The butter has now melted, and now we're going to add 2 cups of washed jasmine rice to this mixture. Then we're going to stir that, mix that all up. All the nice flavors all mixed together. And then we're going to saute this for about a minute. Next, we're going to add 2 1/4 cup of chicken broth. For my chicken broth, I always use water. I added 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. I'm going to add the chicken broth. Add 1 tablespoon of onion powder and stir. And 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and stir. And I'm going to add one scallion, 1 green scallion. So this. And on a low flame, we're going to let this come to a semi-boil. Okay, let's do that taste test before we cover this up and cook this for about 15 minutes. Let's do that taste test. I added a little salt to this, and that's all it needed. Okay, it's coming to that boil. Hear that boil? And then cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. This easy curry rice is now ready. Enjoy. Welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget, please press that subscribe and notification button, letting you know when my next video is available. See you on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. And thank you so much for watching my video.